Hi everyone, my name is Charlotte Wickham, and welcome to my course, Building Your First R Analytics Solution. I'm an educator and freelance data scientist. R is a powerful language for manipulating and analyzing data, and RStudio is one of the most popular tools for working with R code. Mastering both is crucial to leveraging R's power to solve data analysis problems. In this course, we are going to walk through the complete process of developing an analytics solution in R with no prior experience required. Some of the major topics that we will cover include getting R and RStudio installed, working with R code in RStudio, organizing your work with RStudio projects, and communicating and documenting your work with R Markdown. By the end of this course, you'll have built a project that imports data, summarizes it, and automatically generates a report. And you'll have practiced the habits and workflow of data professionals. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into R with courses on data manipulation, data visualization, and R programming fundamentals. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn R and RStudio with the Building Your First R Analytics Solution course at Pluralsight.